as these are the demo sessions, that is the reason we are waiting for the students to join. This regular class timing is 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Once paid link is started, we'll start the session on time. Okay. So myself, Madhuri, I'm your Linux administration faculty. So I'm going to handle this session. So as you know, this is Linux administration course and this is 1 month course. And today is just introduction part. Course is Linux administration. Okay, so this duration is 30 days. So actually 30 working days. Sometimes it will take more than 30, like 1 week extra it will take. That too depends on the students. So if you are asking doubts in some topics you are not clear, you're asking doubts, it may take time. Duration I'll give 35 days. Okay, so daily timing is 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. is the timing. Okay, and Monday to Friday classes will be there. One moment. Sorry, I got a call from office. So days of Monday to Friday classes will be there. Saturday, Sunday, no session. I mean theory session. There is no theory session on Saturday and Sunday. But if you are practicing something on Saturday and Sunday, or if you are revising the topics, if you're getting any doubts, you can contact me through Telegram. Okay, so Telegram link you will get to your email. Once you paid for this course, means you registered for this course, you will get the Telegram link. You will get separate group link you will get. So for this batch. So in that Telegram group, daily updates also I will update. Like today, if I'm explaining something concept, that concept notes I will update. Okay, so whatever the concepts I'm explaining theoretically or practically, I'll make a note of that and I will update to your Telegram group daily. And that group is valid forever. There is no limitation for the group. It is a permanent group. So after finishing this course also, if you have any doubts, you can ping me there. Whenever you are doing the practicals, If you have any doubts, you can ping me. Sometimes I may respond late if I'm in classes or in work, but definitely I'll respond. I will give the reply. Okay, so that group is permanent. And you will get also this class recording videos, you will get to your email. They will share the drive. So you will get the recording videos for 6 months validity. And the DurgaSoft is responsible for recordings. I'm not responsible about that, but they will share updates. Daily they will share. Maybe if today class is completed, next day they will share the recording video. So if you miss any class, unfortunately, if you miss any class, you can go through the recording videos and you can ping me if you have any doubts. Okay. So can you tell about yourself? Any working people are there here? Ashish, are you working? Hello,
Yeah,
Ashish.
Vinay, this side. Yes, I
Yeah,
am
Vinay.
working, but I am
Okay.
working as I am in Java development. But
Okay.
I
So
am,
then why Linux?
I want to know more
Switch
about Linux
to,
so that I can
okay.
work on DevOps part also.
Oh, okay, okay, fine, fine. So your office timing is okay with this class time?
Yes, office time also.
Okay. So what about you, Ashish? And okay, these classes are designed from fresher level. Okay, system administration part and network administration part, everything will be covered here.
Yeah, I am looking for a fresher level.
Yeah. So today is just introduction part. Okay. So tomorrow I'll explain about features of Linux. So in features of Linux, so I'll explain what is Linux, why people are switching to Linux, why technologies are coming with Linux. Okay. So what are the advantages are there in Linux comparing with other operating systems? That I will explain. Okay. And next day, file system hierarchy. So once we install Linux operating system, what are the default folders you will get along with the operating system? That I will explain. Okay. And after that, OS installation. So here I will explain OS installation. How to install the operating system, I will show. Then basic commands. So after installing the operating system, how to enter into Linux operating system, where we execute commands. What are the commands? Are the basic commands like to check, to create files. We have cat, touch, vi. About these commands, how to create the files, how to create a directory, means folder, how to copy commands, move commands, delete command, like how to copy a file to directory, how to move one file to a directory, or how to delete files and directories. Directory means folders. I'll explain there. For this basic classes, it will take 3 days time. I will explain all the basics. So those who don't know anything, zero knowledge if you have also, these classes will be very helpful. You'll get the concept. And after that, I'll explain filter command. So in filter commands, we'll see uh, how to check content of a file as per user requirement, how to filter the content of a file. That I will explain here. Okay. And after that, user administration. So in user administration, what is user, how to create user, how to modify the user, how to delete the users. That I'll explain. Okay. So then group administration. So what is group? How to create a group? How to modify the group? How to manage the group? Okay. So how to delete the use? What is the purpose of group? That we'll discuss there. Then basic file permissions. What is permission? See, once you create a file or directory, they will come with default permissions. So what is permissions? How to modify the permissions? Who can modify the permissions? What permissions are there? That I will explain here. Okay. And after that, ACLs. ACLs means advanced file permissions. So in ACLs, we'll see how to give ownership, how to change the ownership from one user to another user, how to give permission to a particular user, or how to give permission to a particular group. That we'll discuss in ACLs. Okay. So after this, partitions. After entering to the operating system, how to create partitions. That I'll explain here. And next is swap partition. Swap is a virtual memory which is used to increase the performance of physical memory, RAM. So about swap, I will explain at the time. Then LVMs, logical volume manager. This is also one of the method to create partitions. So using these LVMs, we can increase and reduce the size of the partition. So what is this logical volume? So I'll explain theoretically and practically. Then RAID. RAID is used for data backup purpose. This is also partitions only. So what is this RAID? How to take the data backup? That I will explain separately. Then network introduction. So if two pieces, if you want to connect, how to assign IP addresses, that I will show here. How Next we'll discuss about backup and restore. So in backup and restore, how to take the backup from one system to another system. What is the use of taking data backup? How to restore the data back? That I will explain. Then package management. So managers are used for installing, uninstalling, updating, and checking the packages. So what are the packages? What the package managements are there? That I'll explain here. Okay. And after that, in package management, we'll discuss about RPM and M. RPM and M are the package managers which are used for installing, uninstalling, updating, and checking the packages. Packages means softwares or servers we can say. So how to do this? That we'll discuss. Okay. And what is the difference between these two? I'll explain. And M configuration. How to configure M? I'll explain. And after that, data sharing servers like NFS, Samba, FTP. How to share the data from one system to another system or within the network or in different geographical areas. How to share the data. That I'll explain. Then DHCP. It is used to assign IP addresses automatically. That we'll discuss. SSH. It is used to access destination PC remotely. And Apache Web Server, which is used to deploy the web pages. DNS, domain naming server, how to create local domains. NIS, how to access users centrally. So these all servers. Okay, first part is system administration part. In system administration part, we'll discuss about so these are the topics we are going to cover in our Linux administration course. Okay, so once we complete this, all the topics, Vinay,
Yes, ma'am. I'm
is
audible,
there
right?
any network issue, Vinay?
Yeah, I was disconnected and then reconnected.
Okay, okay. So these are the topics we are going to cover in Linux administration code. From very basic to
So,
complete administration part, I will explain. System administration and network administration, including server configurations. So every concept I will explain theoretically and practically. I'll make a note and I will update the notes to your Telegram as I told. If you have any doubts in class, if something I'm explaining, if you are not clear in the concept, you can message me or you can ask directly. You can speak in middle of the session also. You can talk. I will complete the topic. I will give explanation again. Any doubts you can ask me. Okay, because these topics are important. Linux is important for future for everyone. So make sure that you're clear in all the concept because it is not at all difficult. If you understand the concept easily, you can do the practicals. Okay, so as I told you, there will be a Telegram group whenever you are doing practicals. Any doubt is there, any confusion, you can message me there also. In classroom also, you can ask me any kind of doubts. Okay, so anything else you want to ask me?
yes, ma'am. So, is there any prerequisite for this course?
Sorry, what you're asking?
Is there any prerequisite? Any means, is there
Nothing is
anything
required.
that?
Nothing is required. Eh,
Okay.
Just come with empty mind. Nothing
And
is required.
saw there is another course, Linux with shell script. So
Yes, Linux shell scripting is there.
that should I means do after this or before this?
Linux shell scripting means you need Linux knowledge for shell scripting. So after
And
finishing this course, you can go with Linux shell scripting.
and so this course would be basically will it be practical based or theoretical based? Means,
Your voice is very low.
okay, so I was asking, will this course be practical or theoretical based?
Practical, come 100% practical. Only starting up to OS installation theory topics. Once I install OS, daily practicals will be there. Only starting 3 classes, theory classes.
Okay.
Later, all practicals only. Theory
So
plus
how
practical.
I will install OS means I have window.
Yeah, that I will
So
show. That I will show. How to practice, I will show here. Then you can practice yourself. In virtual machine, you can install Linux.
okay.
In VMware software. That I will
Yeah,
explain here. Then you can do yourself.
yeah, okay. Yeah, that is the only thing I will.
Yeah, Vinay. Anything else you want to ask?
No, ma'am. That's
Yeah. So tomorrow just attend the session and tomorrow also as it is demo session only. So attend the session and the way I explain, if you're clear, the concept, the way I am explaining, if you're clear, you can continue with the sessions. You can decide.
yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So we'll meet tomorrow at 8 p.m.
Yeah, so ma'am.
Thank you for the session.
Thank you. Okay.